What's good everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be talking about Samsung Galaxy A17, and this is a real life review, not just specs on paper. I've been using this phone for over 3 months now, so everything I'm saying is based on daily use. If you are planning to buy this phone, or you confused whether you are confused between the A17, A16 or older Samsung A series, stay to the end of this video. Now let's get into it. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. First thing first, the Samsung Galaxy A17 feels good in the hand. The phone is not too big and it's not heavy. It weighs around 190 grams, so it feels balanced when you hold it. I really like the design. Personally, I prefer the design more than the older A16 design. It looks cleaner and more modern. On the other side, the front glass protected by Gorilla Glass Victus Plus, which is very strong for this price range. The back is plastic and the frame is also a plastic. I bought the black part, but let me be honest, it shows lots of fingerprints easily, and it can scratch fast if you don't use a case. So I prefer you buy a phone case, and it's very important. Now let's talk about one of the best part of the phone, the display. The Samsung Galaxy A17 comes with a Super AMOLED display and 90Hz refresh rate. This means color looks very fantastic, blacks are deep, scrolling is smooth, watching video feels very fantastic and premium. For YouTube, movies and social media, the screen is very enjoyable, and I recommend this particular phone, especially the screen. So on this particular occasion, Samsung really did well. And let's talk about the software and updates. Out of the box, the Samsung runs Android 15 with Samsung One UI 7. I remember right now this phone has gotten a Android 16 update, which is a Samsung One UI 8, and this is very important. Samsung promised up to 6 years update. That means this phone will last around 6 years for you. We also get all these new features: circle to search, support Samsung Galaxy Good Lock, and app customization. So the software experience is clean and smooth, especially the new update is very fantastic. I love it. Let's talk about performance. The Samsung Galaxy A17 uses an octa-core processor, which is mostly 2-core or sometimes 6-core. So for graphics, it uses the Mali G57 MCU2 GP. My own unit is the 6GB and 128GB storage version. This particular version runs very fast. The performance is very fast, and you can get the 4GB version or the 8GB version, depends on the one you want. Apps opens quickly. Switching between apps is smooth. For normal gaming and multitask, it performs very well. Everything works very fantastic. The phone uses the same processor as the Galaxy A16 and the A15, so the performance is very similar. If you don't have money, you can buy the smaller one. Now let's talk about SIMs and storage. Another good thing is flexibility. You can use 2 SIM cards in the phone, but you can't use memory card. 1 SIM card and 1 memory card, or 2 SIM card, or 1 SIM card, 1 memory card. That's very useful, especially if you need more storage. But if you don't like that, you can go for A07, which is more cheaper, and use a 2 SIM card and 1 memory card. Now let's talk about the camera experience. The camera on the Samsung Galaxy A17 is nice for the price. The picture comes out clean in the light. The color looks natural. It's good for WhatsApp, Instagram, and everyday photos. It's not a flagship camera, but it does the job very well. Also on the camera, the main camera is 50 megapixel, the ultra wide camera is 5 megapixel, and the macro camera is 2 megapixel. So on the features of the camera, it comes with LED flash and paranormal, and also HDR. Remember, the video camera aspect supports only 1080p with 30 frames per second. On the selfie part, it's only 13 megapixel and also exactly with the same 1080p 13 frames per second.
No need for a manual. I was especially curious about the display and the adjustable fan speeds, and those turned out
on the speaker aspect of it, it's loud enough for videos and calls, but it's not the best speaker out there. For better sound, earphones or Bluetooth speaker are better, but I do like the speaker. It performs very well, so that is one thing about the speaker I do like. On the connectivity aspect of it, the Samsung comes with Bluetooth 5.3, and it supports NFC, and also it comes with a FM radio and USB Type-C 2.0. Remember, it comes with a Wi-Fi dual band, and that is very fantastic. And it also comes with a sound mounted fingerprint and a visual proximity sensor. And let's talk about the battery and charging. The Samsung Galaxy A17 comes with a 5000 mAh battery. The life is good. You can easily get 1 full day with normal use, but if you play too much game, it's not going to reach a full day. It supports 25 fast wired charging, but remember, no charging inside the box, only the cable. On the other hand, remember, as I said earlier, they have 2 variants. They have the 4G variant and the 5G variant. The 5G variant is more powerful compared to 4G variant. The processor, the camera, most of the things are similar, but the processor is bigger, and that particular processor support the 5G variant of this phone. So always check before you buy, okay? Now let's talk about the price and the value. I bought mine for around $160, which is around 235,000 naira. For the price, we are getting Super AMOLED 90Hz display, Royal Class VIC 215, which is major update. Remember, the phone has already been updated to Android 16, not Android 15. Good performance, solid battery life, and it's a very good value for money. It's a very fantastic phone. I remember, it comes with lots of features, lots of updates, and different styles of doing things. It's not one. So my final thought on the phone: the Samsung Galaxy A17 is not a flagship phone, but it's a solid mid-range choice. If you want a phone that looks good, feels good, and will last long with update, this is a good option. Apart from it, it's a very fantastic phone. On the other hand, I don't like the scratches and the thing that comes with the scratches. I don't like lots of it, and the phone and that metal rim side, it can easily scratch. I don't like it. And the processor is a very old processor compared the phone has been Samsung have been using this particular processor for more than 3 generations of phones, so I don't like it. That is one thing I don't like about the phone. Apart from it, I like the phone. It supports fast charging. It's a very minimal phone. I like the compatibility of the phone. Is very comfortable to hold in the hand. I love it. I love the design compared to the older phone, so that is one thing I like about the phone. Please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and subscribe. See you next time. Anything, if you want to see any other thing from the video, anything you want on the next video, I'm going to talk about the battery. I'm going to boost the battery of the video in the next video. Thank you very much. I don't even know what I'm saying. Good luck. Bye.